So don't you wanna stay? 'Cause I don't wanna chase or make you make the same mistake. Every time you pull away, you make me wanna drive around and call out.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry and I'm so glad you joined me today. I appreciate that so much. Well, I was on my way to church, ran out to my mailbox, and inside of it was this. I got charged for this a long time ago, so I just kind of forgot that it was on its way, but this is the Walmart beauty box. And this is a subscription, and it's just sporadic. They don't really give particular times. It's not even seasonal or every other month or anything like that. You just get an alert that they're sending it to you. They take $5 out, and then they send you the beauty box. So I'm going to go ahead and get in here and show you what came in the box. Usually it's a mix of makeup and beauty products, but lately it has been more beauty products. So this is what it looks like inside. It's got some pretty palm leaf, I guess. No, they kind of look like elephant ears. I don't know what they are. You guys tell me. Does that look like an elephant ear to you? I don't know. But let's get in here and see what they've got for us this time. Got a little pamphlet that says Embrace Your Beauty, Rate and Review. And there's kind of a big box here that says Rembrandt on it. And Rembrandt is a tooth care line. It says it's a 3-day whitening boost kit by Rembrandt. It says whiter teeth in just 3 days, maximum coverage, whitens front and back of teeth. And the same enamel safe ingredients that dentists use. It says there are 6 custom fit whitening strips, 3 treatments each with 1 upper and 1 lower. On the back it has some instructions, I'm assuming. And it says you just peel, shape, wait, and repeat. So I'm going to open this up real quick. I am all about the teeth whitening. I drink coffee every single day of my life, and so I always have trouble with staining. So they've got little packets, single serving packets, and it says it contains 1 whitening strip, and it has instructions on the back. So yeah, I will do these. I do have teeth sensitivity, so I can't usually do them as often as they suggest that you do. But I've never tried Rembrandt. I've only tried white strips, I think Crest white strips. And then in here is a coupon for $2 for another whitening kit. So that's cool. If you like it, you can get more. And there are other little explanations of things that are in here. Little informational, little pack. How many times can I say little? Little informational brochure type things. Alright, next is a Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day-Night Mask. 96% naturally derived, made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, or dyes. And it says, find me in the skincare aisle. So Garnier I always think of as hair care products. So this is a skincare product from Garnier. And here's one that is for the hair. This is a Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. Nice. And you guys know that I have a history with what? Donkey milk. You guys, I had one of these. I'm pretty sure I had this in my first empties video, but I don't know if it was a skin gel mask or not. This looks familiar. It says Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask, Nourish and Restore, Innovative Skin Gel Mask Technology. Something innovating skin gel mask fuses traditional fabric sheet mask with hydrogel technology to improve delivery of nutrient-rich donkey milk and other effective ingredients for glowing, healthy, and moisture-plumped skin. So this is what it looks like. And it looks familiar. I don't know if it's a different variation of the one I already had or if it's the one I already had, but I really like the other one that I had. So if it's the same, I'm cool with that. And it looks like yep, 2 more things. There is Kleenex wet wipes. I am having a very difficult time talking today for some reason. Kleenex wet wipes. And this is a nice little packet. It would be nice to keep in your purse if you needed to clean your hands for some reason. New, thick, and soft, it says. So, I don't know. I guess this is a new thing from Kleenex. So, we'll give those a try. Especially if you're a teacher or a mom or a grandma, having wet wipes in your purse is a good plan. And next we have Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo Oat Delicacy Shampoo and Conditioner. And this is actually a big packet and probably enough to actually find out if you like it. I don't know if there's enough for 2 applications, but there's definitely enough for 1. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm a beast in the shower. I use tons of product. You should see how much stuff I put on my little body puff when it comes to like body wash and stuff. I'm a beast. So it says that it soothes, hydrates, and protects. And you guys know I'm always after a cheap alternative for the very expensive hair products that I use. And I do like to try these packets that they send. So that is it. And out of everything, I guess the hair care products, I'm excited to have another one of these donkey milk masks. A nice hair treatment, a nice skin treatment, and something to make my teeth white. So usually I'm super disappointed with these boxes, but I just let them continue coming because they're $5. And I guess I'm disappointed because there's no makeup in it, but I'm okay with all the stuff that's in here, and I actually will use some of it. So, and here's a fun fact about me. I have to put everything back just as it was. And these are really nice boxes, in case you were wondering. These are kind of nice for a nice size to put inside of drawers. So I may use the bottom half of this for some products in my Alex drawers. But that's it for me, you guys. Short and sweet. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. And it says, find me in the skin. But it says, donkey milk skin gel mask to nourish and nourish.
Do you wanna stay? Don't you wanna stay? 'Cause